Simple Green D-Pro 3 Plus antibacterial cleaner, disinfectant, sanitizer, deodorizer, fungicide, Mildewstat, and Virucide kills 99.9% of germs as it cleans and disinfects. The formula eliminates a long list of bacteria and viruses, including some that cause serious public health problems and are antibiotic resistant. This EPA-registered and OSHA bloodborne pathogen-compliant formula cleans, disinfects, and eliminates odors, leaving surfaces smelling clean and fresh. EPA-registered for disinfection, non-food contact sanitizing, fungicidal, virucidal, animal premise virucidal, and mildew-static performance, Simple Green D-Pro 3 Plus will not harm sealed stone, sealed grout, glazed tile, or other hard, non-porous surfaces in hotels, dormitories, cruise ships, emergency vehicles, pet animal quarters, and animal housing facilities. 1 gallon of the Simple Green D-Pro 3 Plus concentrate makes 65 gallons of disinfectant. Leading industries and institutions choose Simple Green products because they work. They're also gentler on equipment and safer than many traditional chemicals.